Right now I'm outside here from the garage, and the garage is inside here where the lovely Mitsubishi 3000 GT is standing, waiting for some welding. I have a hard time getting started, I don't know why. Maybe I'm getting old. Yeah, and the weather, as you can see, 4th of May. With the Mitsubishi 3000 GT. Whoa, 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 whoa! The profile of the 3000 GT is really nice. Lovely. I just love this car. It sounds great. Yeah. Welcome to Jonas, the Captain Granat's channel. We are going to restore a floor on the Mitsubishi 3000 GT from 1996. As you can see here, it's a perfect nice body. The hood is absolutely dusty. Alright, so we're gonna show you how to weld in the floor and make some nice patches and make it sealed so it's waterproof, and it's gonna be great, I promise. Yeah, so this is the inside of the Mitsubishi 3000, as you can see, and yeah, on the right side I've removed the carpet on the floor because I'm welding on the other side. Works! So this is the underside of the floor, right side in the front of the car, and as you can see here, I have been welding around. It was hooked up for the welding. Okay, let's. Okay, yeah. This is hard. This is hard. Let's make some welding. Sometimes you get to work without protection. That can cause you some future problem, I would say. Always use protection. Get the revenge. I'm gonna hit you. It's always difficult to weld when you're working from the upside, from the down to upside like this. It's the gravity. It's always the gravity that's the problem. Oh yeah, now it's yeah. Okay. A little bit of gap there. Don't get fired. This is nice. Okay, so we are moving back on the panel. Make some patching. Stay. So here I have been removing the carpet just to be safe with the first piece here, which I'm going to weld from the inside. So I start from the inside and then I move on to the outside. because when you are welding you always need a very good spot where you can earth it. So that's the place. Here you see the battery disconnected, and of course if you want to be extra this is no without gas. This is with fluorescent inside the welding thread. It's not perfect, but it's okay, I think. Okay, so as you can see here, I have still a hole here. I have been welding this part here, and I think I'm going to put a small piece over here. Part here is with zinc color on that side, and bare metal here. So I put the one with the zinc color against the floor, and then I painted with zinc color on the outside. Professional marking. No, just kidding. That's enough. I use 1.5mm plates. Well, as you can see, I didn't use any earplugs. I recommend to do that. I didn't find mine today, so let's do some welding, my friends. Not German, but I like to say Scheiße because it sounds good welding. You can hear it when it's good melting. Otherwise it's like jumping. Now it's fluid, nice and smooth. No problem. Okay. Look up for this when it welds. Oh my god, dangerous, because it happens so fast, and when you are into it you don't see it, but you smell it. That's what happened here. I smelled it. That's scary. Yeah. Whew. I don't want to set fire on the garage and the car. Okay, so zinc spray. The welding is